Alright guys, I just wanted to show you a home that we have listed. Check out all the detail here, nice tile. Carpet's like brand new. Dining room area. We are in Venetian Bay. We are actually at that address. Beautiful home. I've got a video of the front and back. I like breaking my videos up so they're not so long. Here's the great room. Eat-in kitchen or breakfast nook. We'll kind of spin around here. Nice kitchen. Pantry through that white door. There's our escape cat. He's tried to escape a couple times during our open houses. But very nice property. This is the least expensive home in Venetian Bay right now. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a bedroom. They use it as an office, but it's pretty much the same size as this bedroom. So you can kind of get a feel of what you can get in there. That's a queen-size bed. And you have plenty of room. Guest bath, full bath, shower, tub combo. Room here for a big entertainment center or monster TV or whatever you'd like. Screen and patio. Landscaping's done very nicely. Laundry room. Right through that door is the garage. Good sized master bedroom, as you can see here. Plenty of room for whatever kind of furniture. That's a queen size bed also. Easily a king size could fit in here. Water closet all the way to the left. Double vanity. Walk-in shower or walk-in closet. Walk-in shower also. But beautiful property. You guys need to check it out. I have a 3D tour if you'd like it. Just instant message me or call me 386-527-5358. Talk to you soon.